In this video, we'll see how to create a clustered column chart in Power BI. So I have imported an Excel data set here. So you see sales data, I have date and quantity, sales amount, and all the attributes here, right? To create a clustered column chart, you just click on the clustered column chart icon. So I'm going to expand this chart a bit, and then I select a product and then quantity, and I'll put the state as a legend, right? So you notice that for each product, right, this quantity and the state is segregated accordingly. So this is, if you can hover over your mouse on each product category on a x-axis. So the x-axis we have each product category, and the y-axis, sorry, on the y-axis we have the quantity, and y-axis we have the quantity, and as well as we have added the legend as a state, right? We have three different states, so that is why we have three different bars are appearing here. So what it means, like what exactly this particular stacked column chart is telling us, for each product, so we have three different states, like Delhi, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, and for the quantity sold is 26 for that particular product category. That is what this particular chart describes. I hope this video is useful to you. So if you are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to it. We are going to talk about more and more Power BI charts. So, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the timely notifications. See you in the next video.